Hi, this is Christina with WTI, and I wanted to share with you a new matcha tea that I've tried and love. It is the Kiss Me Organics Ceremonial Matcha Tea. Now, the first thing that told me this matcha was going to be oh so good was the color. You see how bright, green, and vibrant it is? If it's a yucky, off, brownish green, you know you're not getting fresh matcha. Now, I love that it's organic, but let's see how it turns out. Let me tell you, it turned out amazing. This makes an excellent matcha latte. I definitely would recommend this brand, and that's my point of view.